Is your bleached hair feeling dry and lifeless? Want to add warmth and shine without further damage? In this video, I'm revealing the ultimate secrets to achieving beautiful, warm tones on level 8 bleached hair. The hair you see in the image has been pre-lightened and is quite damaged and fine, so we're going to mix a beautiful hair color for it. As shown in the video, we'll mix the formula with a 3% oxidant or 10 volume, along with water. We then take my friend's hair to the wash station, thoroughly wet it with water first, and then start applying the hair color to the bleached sections. We make sure to fully saturate all parts of the hair, layer by layer. After a processing time of about 20 minutes, we can rinse the hair. It's best to apply the hair color only to the bleached sections, keeping the scalp area very wet so that the roots don't absorb any color. If you're loving these unique hair tips that you won't find on bigger channels, make sure to hit that subscribe button and support my journey as I grow this channel from scratch. I'm sharing insider secrets and tips every week, with 3 new videos packed with educational content and fun challenges. Don't miss out on the next one. Subscribe now and join our amazing community. If you're curious to learn all the secrets of balayage and take your hair game to the next level, I've got another video just for you. Click the link at the top of the screen to watch it now. Don't miss out on these expert tips and tricks. If you enjoyed this video and found these tips helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Your support means the world to me. And don't forget to share this video with your friends who might also love a stunning hair transformation. Every like, comment, and share helps me grow this channel and continue bringing you more amazing content. Thank you so much for your support. After 20 minutes, we thoroughly rinse our lovely friend's hair with water, and at this stage, we use a conditioner cream. The processing time for the conditioner cream should ideally be between 5 to 10 minutes. After that, we rinse the hair completely with water and then dry it. Once the hair is dry, our friend's hair is beautifully colored, and a gorgeous hair color is presented to you. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope these tips help you achieve the warm, vibrant tones you've been dreaming of for your level 8 bleached hair. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more hair inspiration and tutorials. Your support means everything to me and helps me create more amazing content for you. I'd love to hear your thoughts or any questions you have. Drop them in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning about this year's hottest hair color trends, I've got an exciting tutorial waiting for you. Click the link at the end of this video and check it out. Stay fabulous and keep experimenting with your style.